In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, staying ahead means making smarter, data-driven decisions. The manufacturing industry is evolving at an unprecedented pace. AI, automation, and real-time analytics are transforming operations, boosting efficiency, reducing costs, and accelerating decision-making. But disconnected systems, manual reporting, and missed opportunities are holding you back. If your Microsoft Dynamics 365 reports can't keep up, you're falling behind. But there's a better way. Introducing KOR SmartForge, AI and reporting cloud for manufacturing, powered by Microsoft Fabric and Copilot. A ready-to-deploy solution that unifies your data, delivers real-time insights, and seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Dynamics 365. With 100-plus pre-built dashboards, predictive analytics, and AI-driven automation, our solution helps you optimize operations, forecast demand, and scale for growth. The key business outcomes: 60% faster insights, zero manual errors, AI-driven forecasting for reduced downtime, seamless Dynamics 365 integration for real-time operations. As a Microsoft AI and Fabric partner, we specialize in next-gen analytics, AI automation, and intelligent decision-making, helping manufacturers like you scale, optimize, and lead. The future of manufacturing analytics is here. Don't get left behind. Book your demo now and experience AI-powered reporting like never before.